Performante in, dropping it off to finish off the full body. It's got some gloss front end paint protection on it already. We're gonna finish the rest of the car off. Get some windshield protection on the front of this thing too, so they can actually drive it, enjoy it, hit the windows a little bit, and then get it back to the owner and get some of their other cars. They have a little McLaren that they want to do the same thing with. Beautiful spec on this thing. Dude, do you see the engine covers in this thing? Like gold! Forged carbon everywhere. The aero that actually works. These scoops actually get air in there, up these uprights, and it comes out of these holes.
The Performante literally turns into a magnet above 100 miles an hour.
The amount of downforce a Performante has over a factory Huracan is insane.
It's substantial, and one of the reasons why we're getting these underground racing Lamborghinis above 1,800 horsepower is because they can hook up. Yeah. Because of aerodynamics, because it's taking this, making it into a suction cup to the earth, and then it's applying 1,800 horsepower to the ground, and it's the nuttiest thing I've ever driven in my life.
I can't apply that 1,800 horsepower to the ground in my car.
No, pretty much any real drive car doesn't do that.
It doesn't work.
But the fact that this still does it when they're twin turbo doesn't make sense.
Is it golden?
Yeah. This is probably one of my favorite specs. This color is just...
Italian on Italian? Is that the role?
Food, Italian cars. We knew what we was working on today.
Do you do the Italian hands too?
We knew. Perfection.
You too?
Performante.
Look at that.
A Performante.
Performante in. It already had a front end done on it, and the corners, in our words, weren't good.
Start over.
Hey, but I love the energy at the beginning.
I feel like maybe just a slight rear.
Hell yeah.
Hold on.
Come on, John.
A few moments later.
All right, and we're back. So yeah, this Performante came in with a front end done on it. It was kitted. We don't like kits. You guys like kits?
I love kits.
Just liars.
Why don't we like kits?
We don't like kits because you can see these edges and corners as we are showing
There's
right
that
here.
fine line.
The fine line that you are seeing right here, that we go above and beyond and take stuff off, and you don't see edges. Go look for the edges in the rest of this car. You won't see them. Front end, you'll see them. Rest of the car, you won't see them because my guys are good. She just pulled up in her other car. Let's go check that one out. Picking up her Performante and dropping off her McLaren over there. She has a YouTube channel, Charlie Ventures, right here on the side.
Go check her out.
Go check her out.
It's about adventures.
What the hell is even that?
Finger guns, finger guns, finger guns, finger guns. So now that Charlie picked up her Performante, she's on her adventure back home. She did drop off her 570. Mr. Dalton.
Dalton.
Tracks over here.
So Charlie's actually on her way down to kind of pick which color sample she has. Dalton does have some satin samples coming out as well, so we can see what the satin looks like instead of the gloss. And we do have the Nürburgring right here. We can actually drive it on our sim. So here we are in the sim in a 570S at the Nürburgring to get us in the spirit of wrapping Charlie's car. So you will see us wrapping Charlie's 570S in the upcoming videos and a lot more stuff on the way. Make sure you guys subscribe. So let's go on an adventure.